Microsoft Excel 365 has a feature called Copilot that's available across all the Microsoft applications. Copilot can be used to refine your spreadsheets, ask questions, or interrogate your data. Now, depending on your organization, Copilot may or may not be switched on. Some businesses will make the decision not to have it available for users. If it's not available, you'll notice that the Copilot icon here is grayed out, or it may not appear at all. So obviously these steps only work, and these things that we're doing here only work if you have Copilot available. And this relates to the desktop version of Excel 365. So with the file open that you want to work on in Excel, you click the Copilot icon. A navigation pane will appear on the right, giving me some different ideas around what I'd like. Now, if the file hasn't been saved before, and I'll show you what this looks like. For example, you've got a blank document here. You may be prompted to save the file first. So let's go back to the one we already have open. Okay, so from here, I want to ask Copilot some questions about this particular bit of data. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose Summarize using pivot tables or pivot charts. So it's going to take this data and it's going to produce something for us. So Copilot will analyze the data and present its findings over here in the navigation pane. So we've just got to wait for it to do that. And once it's done, what you'll see is data down here. Now, Copilot does not edit your spreadsheet. It simply offers analysis in this instance and the option for you to add these pivot tables or what it's created to a new sheet. So if I click on this, you can see that it's added a brand new worksheet. Down here, it's showing you a few more informations and some additional questions that you might choose to ask. So for example, I could click on Show Order Amount by Order Date as a line chart. And you can see down below in the pane, here's what it's come up with, and I can go to Add to New Sheet and it's popped that information in there for us. So great thing to use to help interrogate existing data, and that's how you use it fairly simply to get started in Excel 365 with Copilot.